to become a bird dog in real estate. Okay, so the first tip is educate yourself. Why are you getting into the real estate investing industry at all? Why is this something that you're doing? So educate yourself on exactly what it is that you want to do. See exactly what it is you want to do in the real estate industry. So a lot of people like to get into this industry to flip houses. Well, starting as a bird dog, you really don't need any money or any credit. You basically, at the most, you're going to invest about $100 into yourself, whether that be for your education or your gas money that you use to drive for dollars, or any software that you might get a subscription to learn how to skip trace, different things like that. That's the most you're going to be spending in order to become a bird dog. So educate yourself. You want to get as much information and as much education as possible before you get started. But don't fall into analysis paralysis where you're just educating yourself and not taking any action. The entire point of our educational resources is so you have the tools to get started. Okay, so you want to get familiar with the field / opportunities and positions. So like I said, a lot of people like to get into this industry to flip houses. Not everybody wants to flip houses. So you may want to become a landlord. You may want to even become a private money lender. You may want to do creative financing. You may even want to start a career in a particular industry. So you may want to get your real estate license. You may want to get a job at a title company. You might have a degree already, and you might be in position to be able to get a job at a title company. You may want to go heavily into construction and rehabbing. Doing that over a period of time, you are becoming influenced by that individual, by that particular company. And so you need to figure out and make sure that that is what you want to do. That is what you want to go into. You need to network. So networking is probably the most important thing that you can do at all, period. Your title company, your construction workers, your contractors, your property assessors, your realtors, your different individuals who help you, your private money lenders, your mortgage consultants. You need to network with those people so you can already have an understanding of how this industry works in whatever field you're going into. The wholesaler has an entire network of buyers. So as many deals as you bring them, if you're a property scout, they can close on them, because if buyer number 1 can't close on that property, they can go to buyer number 2. If buyer number 2 can't close on it, they can go to buyer number 3. Ask to go to a property with them. Ask to go to a rehab with them if they do property rehabs. Ask to go to the title company with them at closing so you can get that experience. Ask to go with them to the seller's house or be on the phone with them and the seller to get a better understanding of how to talk to sellers, how to negotiate pricing, how to look at, getting the repair value and the ARV of the different properties and seeing how they can give their offer properly. That's how you can get your experience and get your knowledge firsthand.